Good morning, good afternoon, namaste. My name is Abhishek Pathak. This is the part 3 of WCF Interview Questions Answer and Preparation series. So if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, you can also watch those videos. In part 3, I'll be covering one important question which is frequently asked in WCF interviews. Can we use abstract class instead interface in WCF? If we use abstract class, what will happen? So if you remember, in part 2 I have covered service contract and operation contract. Service contract is known as interface and interface methods are known as operation contract. So if we don't use operation contract and service contract, so that part I have covered in part 2. So in this video, the question is, if we are using abstract class instead interface, will our service be compiled? Will can we host our service? If we can host, can client be able to call our service? To find out those questions, let's quickly move to our Visual Studio. What I'll do, I'll create one new project here. File, new project, WCF. It will give me all the templates. I am using .NET Framework 4.5. So let's give the name WCF abstract class demo. Click OK. Now what will happen? It will create one WCF project. So if you can see, we have service1.svc and it has one service1 and it is inheriting one interface, iService1. If I go inside that, it uses the service contract and operation contract. Now as I mentioned earlier, that it uses the service contract and method as operation contract. Now instead using this interface, what I'll do, I'll replace with abstract class. Abstract class. Okay, and now we have created abstract class, so method should be abstract, because abstract class can have abstract as well as non-abstract methods. So let's public abstract. Okay, and this abstract class I have to replace with this interface. Okay, now let's build it. Now we are getting two errors. The error is that I have created two abstract methods, so those must be inherited in child class. So let's write override, override. Okay, let's build the project. So now you can see build has succeeded. There is no error even if we use operation contract and service contract in abstract class. Let's run our project. Start without debugging. Meanwhile the project the project is opening. Let's quickly wrap up what I have covered. So what I have done, earlier it was interface. Now I have replaced that interface with abstract class, and this service one is inheriting abstract class, and there were two methods. So what I have done, I have overridden those methods here. Okay, now let's click on this service1.ssc. Now we got the error. Okay, it means we can't use WCF abstract class in interface. We cannot use abstract class, instead interfaces. So what the error is quite long, but we have to concentrate this error mainly. Contract in inheritance can only be used among interface type. We cannot use with any other class. Why we can't use? Because see, we have to expose the WCF methods to client, and client can we don't want to show the logic, actual logic what it is to client, because abstract class can also have abstract as well as non-abstract method. Okay, so we can't use abstract class in WCF because abstract class cannot be exposed to client to consume the service. We will get below error. So first thing is that project will build and compile, and when we host we will get this error. Okay, so let's move to questions. Okay, and also one thing I want to mention, this document, this contains all the questions for this videos, and I have uploaded this document in Google Doc, and in video description I have given the link to download this video, this document. So anytime if you want to download, you want to see, you can. And this part 3, part 2, these are the videos link in which you can click and go directly to YouTube to check the videos. And okay, that's it from my end for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload new video you'll get the notification. And if you have any suggestion, any comments, any new topics for WCF you want me to cover, you can write in comment. Thank you, goodbye.